Want to improve your singing right now? Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned vocalist, I am about to share 3 powerful tips that will transform your voice instantly. No complicated techniques, no fluff, just real practical advices from years of professional experience. Let's get started. Hello everyone, I'm Andre.mik and you're welcome on my channel Singing Lessons with Andre.mik. I'm a professional singer with a classical background, and on this channel you'll find videos on how to learn to sing, fix vocal issues and technical problems, as well as useful tips and singing secrets. Subscribe so you don't miss any new videos and your chance to sing better. Today I'm sharing my top 3 tips for beginners and experienced singers to sing better right here, right now. So let's go. Tip number 3. Before you sing, know exactly the melody and the lyrics, every single note of the song. We jump straight into singing our favorite song with a full voice without knowing exactly the melody and the words. The result? Your voice tenses up immediately and you won't sing well. So how do you know you truly know the melody? Sing the song a cappella, I mean without any accompaniment, and with a soft voice, which is very important. If the melody goes high, switch to falsetto. Or you can change the pitch and sing it lower. Make sure you feel confident with every part of the song. It's like in life. If you want to say something, you need to know what you want to say. In music, it's the same. You need to know what you're gonna sing before you sing it. That way, you will be confident and sure. While singing a cappella, you'll probably notice some spots where something feels off. So you need to just stop there and to learn the correct melody of that section. Try to sing the tricky part slowly with some sound like or zzz. This is actually a great exercise and I have a full video of it. You can click here or in the link below in description. So I will give you an example. Something is wrong. This note wasn't correct. So we need to fix it. Let's try to sing it slower. Now it's correct. Once you found a correct note, sing it several times. I did it 3 times, you can do more. Then try to sing it with the lyrics. And in it to sound exactly like without lyrics. Only fools rush in. And this way you need to work on every single place where you have some issues. If you still can't get it right, try to sing along with the recording of the song. Matching with the original can help your voice and ear to connect. Knowing exactly what you need to sing gives you already 50% of success. If you guys have a song you struggle with or have problems with and you can't understand how to sing it, just drop the name of the song in the comments below and I will make a video about how to sing it, how to master it. Many people think they don't have an ear for music, but often the problem is simply the lack of connection between ear and voice. And that's something I can help you to fix. You can book a lesson with me, you can write on this email, or you can find this email in the description below. Tip number 2, Solfeggio parlato, which means spoken solfeggio. If you guys already watched other tutorials or worked with a teacher, you probably heard something like singing on the breath. It can be hard to understand, but fortunately we have a lot of exercises which can help you to feel your breath. So here how it works. You need to speak song's lyrics energetically, with the correct rhythm, without breaking the airflow, and keeping the logical accents of the phrase. If you want to go deeper and understand better what is solfeggio parlato, I have a full video where I explain it in a better way, and you can click here, or you can click the link below in the description. But in this video now, I'm going to explain it to you in a shorter way. So we'll start with a preparatory exercise without rhythm and accents. Take any vowel, for example, a, on any note. But important is that you need to take the note not too high, not too low. You need to feel comfortable on this note. Like, ah, I'm okay with this note. Find yours. Hold the note and thread the words of the song onto it without interrupting your breath. A wise man say, only fools rush in. You need to pronounce the consonants as softly and quickly as possible. Important is to sing the vowels. Now, as you understand what it means not to break the airflow, we move to the main exercise with rhythm and logical accents. Wise men say, only fools rush in. Please beware of common mistakes. The first mistake is doing it too loud. Wise men say. No, it's too loud. Or too high. Wise man. Or too wise man. Don't do it too loud. Don't do it too high. Don't do it too low. Do it where you feel comfortable. The second mistake is doing it too softly or lazily. Wise men say only fools. No, this is not enough. You need to think about the police siren. You need to start every syllable softly and then grow. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. So I recommend you to do this exercise with every song you study, with every new song, and of course, with every song you already know and you already sang. But before, I recommend you to do some warm-ups. If you guys want to go deeper with the warm-ups, you can also check another video of my favorite warm-ups. Just check it in the link below or here. Tip number 1, phrase. This one is simple but crucial. Many beginners obsesses about the technique, about different tips and hacks, and they completely forget about the phrase, which is the soul of the music. Singing without the phrase, it's like a person without a soul. You can have the best technique in the world, but if you don't do phrasing, it will not work. Not all the time issues appears because of techniques. Sometimes the problem is in phrasing. So what do I mean by phrasing or doing a phrase? Any song is made of phrases, like your speech is made of sentences. Each phrase should have its own logic and sense. I can tell you, guys, sign up for my lessons. I will teach you how to sing well. Or I can say, hey guys, sign up for my lessons. I will teach you well. This is the difference. I will give you an example. Wise men say, only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Wise men say, only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. So, how do you sing with a phrase? First of all, try to figure out where are the accents of each phrase. Play the recording, listen to it, and sing along with the recording. I would like you to feel free, even to dance with it, to sway. So I want you to feel the natural beat of the music, like wise men say, only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. And you can immediately find the accents, because the accents are in the places where you do, or you do. So your body can help you to find the phrase, and your body can help you to find the logical accents of the phrases. And you need to do this work with every single phrase. And you need to make the difference between the phrases. Because if you sing all the phrases the same, it will be boring. Many of the beginners do this mistake. They start to sing the phrases which need to be soft in a loud manner with a loud voice, or where they need to sing in a powerful manner with a loud voice, they don't do it enough and they start to sing in a soft manner. So we need to understand where to sing loud, where to sing soft. I need to play with these things. The phrase wise men say is very soft. Only fools rush in. This is a little bit louder. But I can't help, again soft, falling in love with you. And here we do, like a polysirene, we stop in a soft manner and then we do more. And this is the phrasing. If you have any questions, feel free to just drop them in the comment and I will be happy to answer you. So these were my top 3 tips to sing better instantly. If you like the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel not to miss new videos and not to miss your chance to sing better. I'm Andre.mik. See you soon in new videos. Bye.